Yo, what's going on, guys? Make sure you guys subscribe, turn your noise on, and leave a like for future videos. Catch you guys there. Peace. Because I recently upsized my account, my motions are way different. I think I'm not ready. Yeah, if you up your account and you feel like your motions aren't ready yet, then decrease it back down. Like the way how I increase my lot sizes is I would, for example, last year is what I did. I traded the same lot for the whole entire year last year. The whole 8 lot on gold, or sorry, 8 lot on GJ and 4 lot on gold. Q4, I brought it down. I traded for gold, it was like a 2 lot, and for GJ it was like a 4 lot, 3, 4, 5 lot, around that range. I cut it in half. And in Q1 this year, I increased it back up for all-time highs. So I went to a 10 lot on GJ now, and then I'm using a 5 lot on gold. Next year, or this year, I'm doing the same thing. Q4, I'm going to decrease it probably down to a 5 for GJ and a 2.5 for gold, and then I'll increase it Q1 next year. So like 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, maybe 20s by the end of next year. That's how I'm going with lot sizes next year. That's just how I do it. People say it's weird, but that's what's been working for me. That's what I'm comfortable with. Right. In other words, basically it's just this. So you up your lot size, you're obviously bullish, and then at some point, let's say Q4, you want to decrease it, right? When you decrease your lot size, all that's happening is you're creating a range here. This will not be your new range, right? So you have Q1, Q2, Q3, and this is Q4 are your lot sizes. Q4, you decrease it because, you know, volume's not there, and then next season, next year, you would increase it now. So you start off slow, and you start to increase it the next following year. Retest the highs. So as you retest the highs, you start to break the highs. And this is when you have a higher lot size, and then you continue up for the rest of the year. One big bullish trend. But you can't keep going up forever. At some point, you gotta take a break. In this case, this is your break. This is your break right here. This is your point where you pause and reflect on the year, or you reflect on, you know, that lot size and how you perform with that this year. And then you start to increase it again. Go back up. Alright, that's how trading is. This right here, by the way, this right here is also a wick fill. It's also a wick fill, guys. You know why it's a wick fill? Because if you look at this candle here, this, and this, those 3 candles, it'll probably add up, or sorry, these 4 candles right here, it'll probably add up to this. Why? Because let's say this is a 15-minute candle here. This is a 15-minute time frame down here, right? This is a 15-minute time frame. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 15-minute candles equals to what? 1 hour candle, one whole 1 hour candle. The last 15 candle was bearish. That'll be the rejection there on the 1 hour time, which will also be a wick. So as price goes up to fill that wick, all that's happening is price is just finding support to continue up, which is right here to fill that wick and then to continue up. So one thing leads to another thing. That's some big lot sizes, yo. It's ending. I've seen people pop 100 lot sizes. Like it might be big, right? Because at some stage in your life, like for example, 100 lot size for me is big right now. I can't pop that without feeling, you know, no emotions. I'm just not ready for that. But at some point in my career, I probably will get to 100 lot size. The moment you say it's, you know, no homo, too big, it's too small, you're putting yourself in a bubble, bro. You don't want to put yourself in a bubble. If people say you can't make money trading FX, you make more money doing IML because you get paid Cherry 100 money, which is what 100, was it 100K per month, right? Is that how it works? Or a million? No, 750K per month for Cherry 750. And it's like you can make more trading FX if you just don't put yourself in that bubble. You got there at one point. I used to pop 0.10s, I used to pop 0.5s, 0.05, 0.01s. My first trade ever was a long lot though, just because I thought I was $1, right? But You learn over time. You learn through with your mistakes. One day I'll be popping 100 lots or yachts. Yeah, like, I don't think you can't though. Like, it's always a possibility. You can do whatever.